career point. So here is a software engineering internship opportunity. Location is Bangalore. Company is Clearfeed. So Clearfeed is on mission to transform how teams communicate by integrating various workplace tools into seamless, efficient experience. So this is the details given about the company and what is about the role. Job role is also mentioned here. You can see here development and learning, building efficient, clean and reusable features. So the technical skills is required also mentioned here. 2025 graduates clearly mentioned here. 2025 graduates from B.Tech or similar course with CGPA 7.5. So those who are having the 7.5, that students are only eligible to apply, and particularly with the Node.js and TypeScript experience with the fourth generation SQL. So the interested students and those who are having these skills, they can apply for it and share to your friends also, and like the video without fail for better reach. So perks are also mentioned here. Internship duration is 6 months. Internship location is HSR Layout, Bangalore. Thank you all. Link is provided in the description box.